Nag-try ka bang mag-apply ng credit card pero di ma-approve? Baka freelancer ka or nasa BPO or baka student or self-employed. If wala ka pang credit card at nag-try ka mag-apply, nag-apply kung saan-saan pero reject pa rin, or if ayaw mo yung secured card, yung nagre-require ng security deposit, which is di mo naman mawi-withdraw yon until ma-convert mo yung card. So baka eto na yung solusyon na hinahanap nyo, no? I'll show you how you can get a BPI credit card without income docs. So guys, way back 2019, ko po ito, in-apply tong strategy na to. But so far, based on research naman, is ongoing pa rin yung pre-approval ni BPI. Meron pa rin nagpa-post, meron ako nababasa, but the question is, paano kaya to? Paano ma-pre-approve ni BPI for a credit card? So, way back 2016, nang shinare ng tropa ko yung na nagka-credit card daw siya using itong strategy na to. Sabi niya, mag-ipon daw ako ng 30K and keep it there. Huwag i-withdraw. 30K minimum daw. Then si BPI na mismo mag-o-offer ng card. So, trinay ko naman yung itong strategy na to, no? But only after a few years. 2019, that was when steady na yung income ko. By the way, self-employed po ako, working at home for international clients. But yung sahod ko noong 2019 was 25 to 30K yata. By the way guys, if nakaabot ka dito, please give us a like for more contents like this. So yun, nakasave ako ng 30 and after less than 3 months is nakareceive ako ng email na pre-approved daw ako. So unfortunately, hindi ko mapapakita kasi na-delete ko yung email mismo nung naglilinis ako ng Gmail inbox ko. So, but it's gonna look like this in the app. So, pag naka-receive ka ng ganito, punta ka lang sa branch, or if may option na mag-apply online, whichever is convenient sa'yo, then yun yung gagawin nyo. So, for me, yung ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa branch, wala na akong dinala, no? Walang payslip, walang kung ano-ano, nag-fill out lang talaga ako ng form. Of course, yung valid ID, always po yan. And when approved, yung credit limit na binigay was 20,000. I think that was because my average daily balance was 30K for that period. And also maybe because of my income na rin na dineclare on the application form. So I know some people were even offered higher tier cards and were given higher credit limit. So to be safe po, no, if gusto mo magbigyan na ganito is minimum po 30K, but the more the better. Okay? If hindi kaya, pwede naman diskartehan yan, no? Like other people's money, maybe yung kapatid mo, maybe yung kamag-anak nyo, na instead of i-parking lang sa iba, maybe baka pwedeng hiramin yung portion, di ba? Para makatulong sa'yo. So, yan po, try nyo po yan, or try nyo po rin, no, if you're an existing BPI customer, try to search your email. Baka andyan lang yan at hindi nyo napansin nung sinend sa'yo kay BPI. And I hope nakatulong at share nyo na rin to spread the word for this strategy, and see you on the next video.